Hello again, Josie here. Welcome back to Sari Sari Flavors. Before we start, I would like to thank everyone who have subscribed to my channel, and for those of you who hasn't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell so you will be notified for new recipes. Today, we're going to make barbecue spare ribs in the oven, Chinese style, fall off the bone, super easy, breezy, sticky spare ribs at home. So, let's get started! So now we're going to mix all the seasonings and marinate our spare ribs. Okay, we're ready to line up all our ribs in the pan. So I already preheated my oven to 300 degrees. We're going to cover this with foil, and we're going to bake the ribs for 2.5 hours. Okay, so our spare ribs is done. It's been 2.5 hours. I'm going to take it out from the oven, and then we're going to do the glaze. Here we go. It's hot. Just be careful when you open the foil. There, here we go. Now, as you can see, there is some fat and water, the juice from the ribs. So what we're going to do is we're going to dump the water out of this, and then we're going to glaze it. So we're already removed the juice from our pan, and it's time for us to put the glaze. So just be generous when you're putting the glaze, because this is the one that's gonna give flavor, and I promise you will love this. So after you glaze, you're gonna set your oven in broil, okay? And we're gonna put this back and broil it for 5 minutes. We're going to make sure that the glaze is sticking to our meat. When you broil this, make sure there's no foil, okay? You don't have to cover it. We're just trying to, make sure that the glaze is sticking on the top. That's why we use the broil, but no foil, okay? So we're ready to put it back in there for 5 minutes, broil, okay? It's ready. It's 5 minutes. Now we're going to turn our meat and we're going to glaze the bottom part. So just turn that. Oops. See guys, it's fallen off the bone. Okay. Now we're gonna glaze again. Guys, this is good if you have like, when you have like football on a Sunday, or you have company. You can prepare this a night before. You can marinate this 2 nights before. The longer the better, because it gives more flavor. Now we're done, and we're gonna put it back. Let me see. Okay, I don't need the gloves. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so this is it. Nice! Look at that! I'm so excited. I will see you in my next video.